Facebook button.
Well, what are you going to do on the Facebook button?
I don't know. Push it.
Yeah? What are you going to sign on to?
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol?
Paw Patrol's not on Facebook.
It's not? Well, what's on?
Chuck and Friends is on Facebook.
Chuck and Friends?
Yes, on Facebook.
Yeah?
I pushed the Facebook button right there.
Don't push the Facebook button.
I need to.
Why?
Because
Because why?
YouTube's are stupid I ever watched.
YouTube is stupid?
These are 1, 2, 3.
YouTube is stupid?
No, 3 YouTubes are stupid.
Yeah?
See? I told you, I need to go on Facebook. I go on Facebook. Look, you see that button? Right behind you, Mommy. That one, right there.
I see it.
Right there.
What is it? I see it. What is it?
A button.
A button? What is it for?
I don't know. It says... It says E. And what does it say, Mommy?
I don't know.
You say that, Mommy.
What's the other button?
The YouTube button.
Oh.